Realme has confirmed that its upcoming GT 8 Pro flagship phone will be one of the first to be equipped with the newly launched Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SoC, has surpassed the 4 million mark on the AnTuTu benchmark. It is likely to ship with the Realme UI 7-based Android 16. The Realme GT 8 Pro has now surfaced again in Weibo with what looks like a full look at its design. The GT 8 Pro is seen with a circular housing on the back, and high-quality renders of the upcoming Realme GT 8 Pro have surfaced, giving us the clearest look yet. The device packs a 50MP main camera, a 50MP ultrawide, and a 200MP periscope telephoto lens on the rear. Realme Vice President Wang Wei confirmed that the GT 8 series will launch in October. There is a possibility that the GT 8 Pro could be launched at 3,999 yuan for the base variant. It features a BOE-supplied 6.78-inch flat AMOLED display with slim bezels on all sides, 2K resolution, and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. Keeping it powered is reportedly a massive 8,000 mAh battery, with 120W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.